Here's a bold truth. Humanity still has a shot at preventing the worst-case climate scenarios and returning to the 1.5 degrees Celsius warming limit. But only if governments act decisively and immediately. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about cutting emissions. It's about a complete transformation of how we power our world. A groundbreaking report from Climate Analytics. https://climateanalytics.org/publications/rescuing-1-5c reveals that while current government targets fall dangerously short, a rapid shift to renewable energy and electrifying sectors like transportation, heating, and industry could turn the tide. But here's where it gets controversial. Even if we follow this roadmap, we might still temporarily exceed 1.5 degrees Celsius, risking irreversible tipping points like the collapse of the Greenland ice sheet, or the Amazon rainforest transforming from a carbon sink to a carbon source. Scientists warn that every fraction of a degree matters, and some tipping points, like coral reef bleaching, may already be underway. https://The Guardian Northcom Environment October Coral Reef Size Sheets Amazon Rainforest Tipping Point Global Heating Scientists Report. Bill Hare, CEO of Climate Analytics, calls this a woeful political failure, but insists we can still bring warming back below 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2100 if we phase out fossil fuels and deploy carbon removal technologies. https://www.thegUardian.com/environment/April/25/Carbon-2023/climate-science. The clock is ticking. World leaders are meeting in Belém, Brazil, ahead of the COP30 UN Climate Summit, where countries are expected to submit updated climate plans, NDCs, under the 2015 Paris Agreement. Yet, fewer than half have done so, and many plans are woefully inadequate. The UN Environment Programme, UNEP, warns that current commitments could lead to a 2.5 degrees Celsius rise. https://www.unep.org/resources/emissions-gap-report-2025, with potentially catastrophic consequences. To stay on track, global emissions must drop by 20% by 2030 compared to 2019 levels, with methane cuts of 30% by 2035. Neil Grant of Climate Analytics offers a glimmer of hope. The renewables revolution has shattered records globally, giving us the tools to turbocharge our clean energy future and make up for lost time. But the question remains, will governments act boldly enough, or will we let this final chance slip away? What do you think? Are we up to the challenge, or is this goal already out of reach? Let's debate in the comments.